Hi! Yun o, ayan na pa, oh.
Iba to panlaban.
Sabay, ang galing mo talaga eh.
1, 2, 3, slime. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, ang ate mo.
No, is it allowed? Okay, we're here at the Buscalan Footbridge Cable.
Di ba tayo na ipagkarera no?
Oh.
Diretso na lang kami.
Basta dire-diretso kayo.
I've been everywhere.
After.
Let's watch out the way. So,
I saw a cloud. It looked like a bird. It whispered a name I thought I misheard. The sky was velvet, stitched with gold, and time was a secret it never
few gins. There's a couple gins over there.
Gin.
Aabutin ba ako ng apoy dyan?
Okay ni Ate siya.
Ako ba, Tay?
Sorry. So, for
Kaya ba? Ako na. Ganun tayo na lang.
oh, the other way na lang. This side na lang.
Ano natin nagawa?
Dapat na tayo sa kabila. Nakapahalang ba to? Or?
Pre-fib yan, pwedeng vertical lang. Pwede mo siya i-post there.
Magandaan sa akin.
Buti naman yun.
Ano na?
Magandaan.
Sa kabila. Nagreklamo na ako.
It's getting bigger. This is like rose opening. Yellowish.
Dito ka na gilid ko.
Maharangan mo.
Nag-take picture kasi na ganun ka.
Ay, talaga.
Isa pa ako ba?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going with them. Christian kasama yan.
Hi everyone. So we're here.
Welcome to Mount. Ano ba to?
This is Marlboro.
Marlboro.
Marlboro Lights.
Lights.
Sigarilyo pala.
Hi guys. So as you can see, we're so hungry. But we're still, very tight.
Very tight.
So we're heading down the hill.
Parang mas maganda yung way dun sa blue soil, no?
Oo, no?
Madaming trees.
Pero mas steep kasi yung sa Boulevard, no? Kaya
Tama.
nalaglag si Rose. But anyway.
Madulas.
Talagang
Nadulas lang.
Kuya.
hindi ka nadulas. Talagang nagpa-slide ka.
Sige pa. Sige pa, sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, stop na, stop.
Especially the most respected profession. Example, the first part is for the priest. Climate, altitude, and type of soil in different provinces in the Philippines, their taste evolved. So to distinguish each from the other, very good example of the egg. Buy the egg, but with the egg, it has maybe 60-70% of tax.
Good analogy.
Just one egg. That's
1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, smile.
Mga unfinished product.
Yes!
Iba to panlaban. Ay, ang ate mo.